Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be fixing this Ram pickup with a dent in the right side fender here. It's got kind of a crease style dent, as I was kind of showing you with the Paintless Dent Repair light on it. So we're just going to kind of show you as far as how big of a difference does it look as far as the, maybe for taking photos or anything like that for that matter, when we use our light. So if you're familiar with watching a lot of our videos, I'm always showing typically, if I'm doing any kind of an estimate anyways, oops. If I'm doing any kind of an estimate, I'm always looking at it with the Paintless Dent Repair light, just strictly because it's how I'm going to fix the damage and it's how I'm able to see all of the deformities and all the dent and really see the damage. So kind of flipping the camera around here, I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you as far as what it looks like. Let me see if I can get this. All right. And so this is the fender dent. It doesn't probably look a whole lot, really that bad to your average person, walking by, just if you figure this is probably about your average, walking around the truck, so this is a 2002. This is a repeat customer of ours. He's actually brought this truck into us, I believe, 3 different times. So it's a really clean looking truck. And, so it's got this crease dent in it. So obviously it bothered him and it doesn't look, most people would probably, let that go, not really be too worried about it and whatnot. So as you would imagine, if a customer was to try to send a photo to us of this damage, it's going to be very difficult for us to see. Just, simply just a few inches or an inch or half an inch really, one way or another, left, right, up, down, could really hide a lot of this damage here to where we might not be able to see it really to the level that, that we need to see it. So that's why when we get it in the shop here, we're actually taking a look at it with the Paintless Dent Repair light. So it's very, very straightforward, honest, shows exactly what we're trying to look at here. So we're looking at a crease that runs about yay big. So that's, and another way we're going to actually gain access to it, we're going to actually take the tail light or headlight out of it and actually get access to this. And then there is also another dent right up in here. You could probably see that pretty good just because of the lines in the ceiling. So we're going to take that dent out as well as it does actually have, like I said, this is a repeat customer, and we looked at this car actually a while ago, but and he was kind of holding off. He's like, well, I'm gonna wait till I get some more damage, just because he knows, it happens, man, and he likes to take really good care of his stuff. So he's willing to live with a little bit of this for a little bit of time, but then he caused another dent in it. So another dent we looked at in the past is right there. So again, I'm kind of, the ceiling is what's really going to allow us to see the top panels of vehicles. So that's just a pretty shallow little dent. We're actually going to be able to gain access and not have to take the tail light or headlight out. Geez, I keep calling it a tail light. The headlight out and actually get through here and actually able to get a tool up into that area. So the customer actually originally contacted us. Obviously that damage we looked at with the past repair that we did on it. He was kind of holding off, but this dent he actually just caused this last weekend. So he's got another Chevy Impala, or it's an Impala or Malibu. I think it's an Impala. But we fixed a big crease dent on that. He had something fall on the roof of it from his garage. Real common stuff. He was opening the door up into that and accidentally door dinged his own truck in his own garage. So he was really, pretty bumming about that. But he knows that we're able to get him all fixed up here. So you guys can probably see this pretty good here. With the light reflection there. So that's just kind of some of the stuff we're going to be working on today there. Just, nothing too extreme and whatnot, but, definitely some damage that needs to be fixed, especially with the guy being as particular as he is, which is, that's perfect. That's, our kind of customer that doesn't want, doesn't want their truck all dinged up or anything like that. So anyways, so I appreciate you guys taking a few minutes to watch the video here and see kind of what we're going to be working on. I think I'm going to be doing a couple other different style videos here on Instagram, specifically reel style videos, kind of the new thing, and trying some of those out. So we're going to go get started on the repair here, get that headlight out, and get this damage all taken out. If you guys need any type of dent repair or anything like that, feel free to go and reach out to us, 605-250-1023. Visit our website, SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. If you got any questions about anything we did here or anything like that, or you got a video suggestion, what do you want? Like maybe you saw something in this video, like how do I take a headlight out? Maybe, ask me about that, and I'll go ahead and explain it a little bit later here today if I don't already have it back together, obviously. But be happy to answer any kind of questions or anything like that. Like I said, leave down in the comments, and we'll get back to you guys shortly. And if we don't talk to you again today, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.